can see everybody packing up to go home. Yep. Because we're just feeling like we're just settling in. Yes, sir. How is the feeling? Yeah. Wow, let me get you.
I didn't know I did those things.
Biggie? Biggie, man?
No.
They can jump?
Yeah, the jump very high.
I'm pretty under there. No, I'm not going to put them on there.
Hold it again. Hold it again.
So I'm pretty underneath my hands. See everybody popping up. How is it feeling? Look at you.
I didn't know I did those things.
Biggie? Biggie, man?
No.
They can jump?
Yeah, the jump very high.
They might have family.
Camping for December.
It's gonna be 3
For how
days.
long? For how long?
I wish you go for more like a week, boss. Some mixed emotions. Some don't want to go home, some want to go home. What you have to say? You ready to leave?
Small.
Yes.
Small road.
Okay.
Small road.
What was your camping experience?
It was nice. Yeah, it was great.
I don't have nothing to say.
How was your camping experience? What was your camping experience?
Right. As a matter of fact, I want to stay here a couple more nights and stay here forever. I want to slide on
You
this
see?
all day.
Wow.
We made this swing onto the board and we slide on it all the time so it can get smooth.
Let me see it. Let me take a look. How it works.
See? So you can walk up climb up from here. Then you have to go from
Careful,
here.
I'm going
Whoa!
set it back properly. Because
Okay, let's start. So you can't climb the tree. You have to climb up from here.
careful.
Then you have to go here. Let's
But
slide
you have to
down.
always be setting it because it will come off.
We put
Darren, what's up? What's up? You are ready to go home?
It was fun. We wish you could stay more.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, we have to go home eventually.
we didn't want to go home.
Repeat what you say.
We didn't want to go home because camp was so fun. I wish we were here still. And make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. And like.
Ready to go home?
Camp was fun, but at last minute, the children made it not so fun. But God is good. Time to go home.
Yeah.
I think my children had more fun than me. We're gonna be at camp again.
So guys, I'm just cooling out on the tree. This is Camp Redeem under the Neem. Just come to an end, and it's mixed emotions because some of us were not ready yet. We wish camp could have gone on for the entire week, but some of us have work because it's still in the summer, so school is out, but most of us have work, so that's the reason, you know. But it was very interesting this time around. Fun.
That I enjoy here.
You enjoyed being here.
I like that I learned new things.
Great.
I like that.
No.
You like the environment.
I like how
I got enough.
Okay. Yes.
I like that I could listen to music at night and go to sleep properly.
You're talking about Steve's music. Or you had music in your tent. What did you dislike? Somebody.
Hey!
Let's go.
Wait,
Wait.
Teacher, that's his no meat in the food. That's number one.
Make it short. One thing.
I have 2 things to say.
Wait. Go ahead, Zion. One more. Okay, Elijah. No meat in the food. Elijah.
We have to go. We have to sleep early on.
Yes, we have to go sleep. Miss, I rather sleep.
Wake up early too.
Attention. Pathfinder song, please.
Oh, we are the Pathfinder song. The servants of God are
Last night when Simon said to sing the Pathfinder
faithful
song,
as
y'all
the
were
night
much louder.
shall long, in kindness, truth, and purity. Our message to tell to the world, a truth that will set us free. King Jesus the Savior is coming back for you and me.
All right. What was the theme for this camp?
Redeem under the Neem.
Right, perfect. So we're going to dismiss now and you're going to go home, and I believe Director Minot will take over after dismissal. We're going back to Pathfinder on Sabbath. Sabbath afternoon at 4.
I won't be
to continue with your requirements, all right? So you're dismissed into the care of your parents. Pathfinders, dismissed.
Turn to